Okay. Okay. So appendicular skeleton. Today we'll be discussing about appendicular skeleton. So what do you mean by appendicular skeleton? ओके तो एपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन का मतलब क्या है? ये जो थोड़ा ब्लू कलर का दिखाई दे रहा है, अभी ब्लू कलर कैन यू सी? हाँ, कैन यू सी इट और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the appendicular skeleton. Okay, upper arm, lower arm, and lower extremities. You can say, or lower limbs. Okay, this is the upper limbs, lower limbs, and this is the pelvic girdle. So all these are known as appendicular skeleton. Okay, so now we will see what are the name of these different bones, and we will see the numbers also. How many bones are there in this part? How many bones are there in all this part? We will see now. Okay. So in the appendicular skeleton, you can see the total number. There is 126 bones. Okay, only in the appendicular skeleton you will see that there are 126 bones. So these are the names. These are the names. So first is the humerus. Okay, पहले में क्या आएगा? अपर एक्सट्रीमिटी में या अपर आर्म पे क्या आएगा? पहला आएगा ह्यूमरस. ठीक है, ये जो लाल कलर का है ना, इसको बोलते हैं ह्यूमरस. Okay, so the first part, that is the upper arm or upper limb, what will you see? You will see humerus. This is the humerus. How many you will get? How many bones you will get in the humerus? 2. 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 number of humerus bone you will be getting in your upper arm. Please don't give your attendance. I'll be taking your attendance in the last class. Okay. So this is the 2 bones, humerus. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 number of humerus bones you will be getting in your upper extremity. Okay, the name is humerus. 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 Okay. Okay, shall we move to the next bone? Are you clear? Are you clear or not? Response, please. If you are clear, we will move to the next slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next is radius. This is radius. Okay. Next क्या है? Radius. ये radius है. ठीक है. Okay. So how many radius you have? 2. 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 2 number of radius bones you have. Okay. Are you clear? First one was the humerus. पहला क्या था? Humerus. यहाँ पे था humerus. Okay. Next क्या है? Radius. Radius ये जो है ना, इसको बोलते हैं radius. First one was the humerus. Next is the radius. So radius here. 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 2 number of radius bones you have. Okay. Let's move to the next. That is ulna. Okay. Ulna is right near to the radius. Okay. Here there was radius, no? So ulna is here. Okay. How many you have? Ulna 1 plus 1. So 2. 2 number of ulna bones you have. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Humerus, radius, ulna over. All 2 you have. Okay. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 number of ulna bones. Okay. Next is your carpals. This is your carpals. Okay. Carpals is in your wrist. Okay. Wrist means where you wear your watch, na? Bands, bangles, all those. All that part is known as carpals. So carpals how many bones you have in your carpals? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 number of carpal bones you have in each hand. Okay, this is for one hand, and for another hand you have 8. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So 16 number of carpal bones you have in your wrist. Okay, these names are not required. For you all, just know the number. In your syllabus only numbers required. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear about carpal bones? You have 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 equals to 16. So 16 number of carpal bones you have. Okay, are you clear about carpals?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Remember, huh? Don't forget 8. 8 you have. 8 plus 8 each hand 16. Next is metacarpals. So these metacarpals are this yellow color. Okay. This yellow color part are the metacarpals. So metacarpals, how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of metacarpal bones you have. So in each hand, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 number of metacarpal bones you have in your hand. Okay. Are you clear about metacarpals? Carpals was this part, okay, and this is the metacarpals. Are you clear about metacarpals?
Ma'am.
Are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is phalanges. So this is the phalanges. This green, blue, and brown color. All these are the phalanges. We have talked about carpals, metacarpals. Now let's see the phalanges. This is the phalanges. Okay, so now let's see how many we have phalanges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 number of phalanges bones you have. तो phalanges bones कितना मिलेगा? 14 number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 number of phalanges bones मिलेगा मतलब हाथ में. तो 14 14 मतलब दोनों हाथ में 14 14 मिलेगा. तो 14 plus 14 कितना है? 28. तो phalanges bones कितना मिलेगा? टोटल 28. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand phalanges?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are done with the upper extremity. Okay, now let's go to the pelvic girdle. So this is the pelvic girdle. Okay, हम लोग upper arm हो गया, ठीक है. तो अभी हम लोग pelvic girdle पे देखते हैं कितना है. तो pelvic girdle क्या बोलते हैं? इनोमिनेट बोन भी बोलते हैं और हिप बोन्स भी बोलते हैं. Okay, it has got two names. It is the innominate bone or else hip bones in the pelvic girdle. Okay, so now let's say how many bones are present in the pelvic girdle or the hip bones. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. So in the pelvic girdle, you'll get 2 bones. Okay, pelvic girdle में कितना bones मिलेगा? 2. 1, 2. समझ में आया? Pelvic girdle. Shall we move to the next bone? Okay. Next is factorial girdles. Okay, factorial girdles. How many bones you will get? 4. Okay, factorial girdle में कितना बोन मिलेगा? 4. ठीक है, 4 बोन्स मिलेगा factorial girdles पे. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग देखते हैं वो बोन्स का नाम क्या है. Now let's see what are the name of the bones which we find in the factorial girdles. Okay, the first one is clavicle. This is the clavicle. Okay, clavicle you'll be getting at their back side. clavicle कहाँ पे मिलेगा? पीछे पे मिलेगा, पीछे. ठीक है, ये दो जो रेड कलर का है ना, सॉरी, yes, this one, you'll be getting it. Okay, so how many clavicle bones? 1, 2. Okay, so 2 number of clavicle bones you'll be getting in your factorial girdles. Okay, and the next is scapula. This is your scapula, front you will get, front. Collar bone also you can say. Okay, collar bone. For girls mostly this is known as beauty bone also. Okay, so this is the clavicle bones or as collar bone. So how many you'll get? 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So in the pectoral girdles, you will get 4 number of bones. Okay, are you clear? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please try to memorize the names. Okay, please try to know the names because you won't be able to make it up. All these names can't be made up because you have to write it the exact name. Next is the lower extremity. Okay, we are done with the upper extremity and the pelvic girdle. Okay, now let's come to lower extremity. Lower, this part. We are done with all this. Okay, so now let's move to the lower extremity. In the lower extremity, the first bone we will get is the femur. Femur. Okay, so this femur, what you will see, thigh. You will find it in thigh area. Okay, this femur. It is also known as the strongest and the longest bone in the human body. This femur. Okay, ये जो femur है, ठीक है, ये जो femur है, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? उसको बोलते हैं सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है और सबसे लंबा है. ठीक है, सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट और सबसे लंबा बोन है ह्यूमन बॉडी पे, फीमर. ओके, और कितना मिलेगा फीमर? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, both sides of your legs. Okay, so how many femur bones you get in your body? 2. 1 plus 1 in each side of your legs, so 2. 2 number of femur bones you'll get. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Are you clear? Shall we move to the next? Next is your tibia. Tibia, this is tibia, okay? Just downside of your femur, na? You'll get tibia. This is your tibia. So how many tibia bones you'll get? 2. 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 number of tibia bones you'll be getting. Okay, did you understand? Tibia, Tibia, tibia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is fibula. This is fibula. Right next to your tibia, you will get fibula. This one. This one. So how many you will get? 1 each. 1 each. 1, 1. So 2 number of fibula bones you will get. Okay. Are you clear? Shall we
Ma'am,
move to the next?
fibula is backside.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, fibula is in backside of our legs.
No, you will find it here. Front only you will find. Backside, front means everywhere. I mean, where it is situated here. Here only you will get. Okay.
Close to each other.
Yeah, they are close to each other. This fibula you will find right next to where? This one. Tibia. Okay, tibia, this one. Fibula is here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So are you clear now? How many fibula bones you have? 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 number of fibula bones we find. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is patella. Patella. In the last class also I have already said about this patella. This patella is also known as knee joint or kneecap. You'll find in your knee. So how many you have? 2. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 2 number of patella bones you'll have. Okay. Are you clear?
Ma'am, patella to sesamoid bone
हाँ
परिब न
हाँ 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 patella is under sesamoid bones. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next is tarsals. Next क्या है? Tarsals. Okay. Tarsals are, how many tarsal bones you have? 7. Okay. Tarsal bones कितना है? 7 है. ठीक है. तो अभी हम लोग देखते हैं. Now let's see the total number of tarsal bones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 7 plus 7 मतलब एक पाव पे भी मिलेगा. ठीक है. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So 14 number of tarsal bones you will get. Okay, in tarsal bones, how many? What is the total number of bones will be getting? 7. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So total number of tarsal bones, 14 number in each side of your legs. On each side of your feet, you will be getting. Okay, did you understand? You remember tarsal means feet and carpals, see. Carpals means hands. Okay, don't get confused with tarsals and carpals. Carpals was your hand part and tarsals is your feet part. Foot, feet. Okay. कंफ्यूज मत होना. कार्पल्स का मतलब हाथ में जो मिलता है कार्पल्स, और टार्सल्स मतलब पाव. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. हाँ, कार्पल्स, टार्सल्स. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Next is
Yes, ma'am.
metatarsals. So metatarsals, how many bones you will have? 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of metatarsal bones you will have in each side of your feet. तो कितना बोन्स मिलेगा मेटाटार्सल्स में? 5. ठीक है, 5 करके मिलेगा, मतलब एक पाव में 5, एक पाव में 5. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So 10 number of metatarsal bones you have. Okay, did you understand? Metatarsals. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of metatarsal bones you have. समझ में आया ना? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is phalanges. This is the last one. Okay, phalanges. So this is the phalanges. For you to make it understand, I have done a color coding. This red color, yellow color, and this green color are the phalanges. Okay. So let's see now the total number of phalanges bones you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. ठीक है, तो ये phalanges bones में कितना मिलेगा? 14. तो हम लोग गिनते हैं अभी कितना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. ठीक है, तो दोनों पाव में 14 मिलेगा phalanges bones. So in both sides of your feet you will be getting 14 each. Okay, do you understand about phalanges bones? Phalanges bones will come in the lower extremity. Are you clear now about this one, appendicular skeleton? Uh-huh. What? Please repeat what you said. So total number of this one, appendicular skeleton, what is the total number? Altogether, if we count, okay, if we count from humerus, okay, from this humerus till this
126.
phalanges, sorry, yeah, till this phalanges, what is the total number of bones? Counting from humerus till the phalanges, total number? Anyone?
126.
Yeah, 126. So you'll be getting 126 number of appendicular bones. Okay. So
All these bones we have to remember. Means drawing,
yeah,
remember.
yeah, you have to remember the names because you need to identify. In exams, they will show you the bones. Okay, they will show you and they will ask you. For example, I'm just showing you. Today we have discussed about appendicular, isn't it? So this is appendicular and this is the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton we will discuss in the next class. But for today's class, appendicular, we have discussed all this, isn't it? So they might ask you, what is this bone? This one. Do you remember this bone? I'm just showing it to you. This bone. Do you remember?
Cubical.
Can you zoom in?
Wait,
Cubical or something.
not cubicle. Clavicle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I'll just show you the real one, the real bone. Just give me a second. Can you see it? This one? Can you see? Is it visible? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was showing you this one. Okay. So this one is known as clavicle. Okay, in this way they will show you. They will show you like they will point out this bone and they will ask like what is the name of this bone and how many bones we have. Okay. Okay, can you name what is this bone? Anyone? This one? Upper extremity? Huh?
Yes.
Any, anyone please?
Radius, ma'am.
Radius? No.
Um,
Radius was down.
Humerus.
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 Okay, correct.
Humor.
Okay, okay. Okay, what about this? This
femur, femur,
femur, yeah.
femur,
Femur is what? The longest or the shortest?
high. Oh yeah.
Longest or shortest bone?
Longest,
Longest.
longest.
Longest bone and also the strongest bone. Okay. So in this way they will ask you all. You have to be like you can't make it up, not the names, isn't it? So you have to remember the names of each bone. Na? You have to remember it. And this one, patella, kneecap, knee joint. This one. Okay. So in this way, they will ask you during exam. Okay. Are you clear now? Is everyone clear? And this one, you see, this one. This one was what? I showed you, na?
Scapula.
Scapula. This one is the clavicle. And backside you will see scapula, this part. Okay. Two sides you will see. I'm just showing you one side. Two sides you will see scapula. Okay. Okay, are you clear about
Yes.
appendicular skeleton? Is everyone clear? Anyone is having any doubts? If anyone is having, we can repeat again. Is everyone clear? Huh? Please respond. I'm asking you something. Is everyone
Ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, you can note it down, but I have already given you in your student portal. Okay, about all this also, I've already given it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, if everyone is clear, then it's good.